Today, we're going to build a Navy destroyer using 6 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
This is one of those mocks that kind of happened by looking at one piece. I had this 1x6 helicopter landing ski, and I was kind of like, that looks like a destroyer all by itself. But let's just add some things to this to make it look even better. So the first thing I wanted to do was, we have these pinholes in the side, and those actually made me think of like the port windows or the windows on the side of the destroyer, but they go all the way through. And we don't want this destroyer to look like it was on the losing end of a battle and is now just Swiss cheese. So I'm gonna fill those pinholes in with 2 1x1 round plates in this flat silver color. And I'm gonna put the studs into those pinholes on both sides to just give this thing a little more just stability, make it look more intimidating and solid as opposed to being made of Swiss cheese. So once I've got that done, all I've got is these front 2 studs. Well, on that back stud closest to the kind of I can't think of the word, the cabin here, I'm gonna grab a 1x1 tile clip, and I'm gonna put the tile clips, those ends of the tile clip, on the left and right of my ship, and these just kind of clips right there in the center, and that's where I'm going to put my forward gun. And now I want to smooth out this front. So on that front stud, I'm going to grab this half extended circle, and again, it's got this like metallic flat silver color, and this one actually has like a radiator printed on it, like it's a car engine, and I love that effect because it just gives a little more texture to this destroyer, which is seeing battles. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that flat end of my extended circle against the tile clip so that the rounded end is on top. It just kind of, rounds out the bow of my ship. And now this is a destroyer. This is a military craft, so it needs a forward gun, that big old turret or cannon that makes it a destroyer of ships. And to do that, I'm going to grab this minifigure screwdriver. It's a flathead screwdriver, and I'm going to put it in so that the flathead screwdriver is like parallel with the bow of the ship. And I'm going to put the handle into that clip so it's touching the back. So I want it touching the back to make it look like a solid piece and facing forward. But here is my completed destroyer, ready to patrol the Pacific, the Atlantic, maybe even the Indian Ocean, looking for enemy craft.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.